In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning gallery or slideshow with ease. Whether you're showcasing photographs, artwork, or an engaging portfolio, the Pro Gallery and Slideshow tools offer dynamic and visually appealing options to bring your content to life. So grab your images and let's get started. First, we'll add a Pro Gallery or slideshow to your project. This step is fundamental to giving your images a home in your design. These tools are versatile, allowing you to choose a display that best fits your style and purpose. Once you've decided whether a static gallery or a moving slideshow complements your vision, you're ready to begin. To get started, locate the section of your editing interface where you can add new elements. You'll typically find an Add button prominently displayed, inviting you to explore the various components you can bring into your project. Click on it and navigate through the options until you find Pro Gallery or Slideshow. This is where the magic happens. You're about to transform your static collection of photos into an eye-catching display. Next comes one of the most crucial phases, uploading your images. Select the Upload Images option and browse your device to find the visuals you wish to feature. It's a good idea to create a dedicated folder with your selected photos beforehand to streamline this step and avoid any unnecessary searches or distractions during the process. As you choose your images, keep in mind any themes or sequences you want to convey. This could enhance the narrative or cohesion of your gallery or slideshow. After uploading, it's time to choose a layout, which significantly affects how your audience perceives the content. A carousel layout can provide an interactive element, allowing viewers to scroll or click through your images at their own pace. Carousels are particularly effective in capturing attention, as they offer a smooth and continuous flow of images. Incorporate this feature by locating the layout settings within your gallery or slideshow options. Adjust the settings until you've achieved your desired look and feel. Consider playing with dimensions, transitions, and display times to craft an experience that best highlights your images. The final step in this creative journey is to publish your work, a moment that signifies your completion and commitment to share your vision with the world. Double-check your gallery or slideshow for any inconsistencies or necessary tweaks. Once satisfied, find the Publish button, usually located towards the top or bottom of your screen, and click it. By doing this, you make your stunning gallery accessible and ready for viewers to marvel at your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully created